Engineering systems and masking them with noise. 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 Things that were not alive became alive and took their own destiny into their own hands. Working with sound and working with Jan and Andy's incredible studio skills, and Birds on Mars and this algorithm that learns and emerges through its own language in sound, it just seemed the perfect way to bring the scholarly material into something that was really accessible.
We created a tool that is able to take your text input, feed it to the AI, and through the vector hacking that you modulate through changing parameters, it generates speech in unheard languages, non-existent dialects, various melodies, and other experimental features.
And so when I encounter the voice, it's me asking a question about myself. We must control the robot. We must control the program. Everybody involved in this project is the opposite. We want to create this thing so that it will have its own life. We want it to be anarchic and we want it to question us.
It's a suggestion. This record is really a suggestion. Like, maybe we can learn from machines that it's okay to be human, by also not expecting so much from us as humans, like, who have to become so much better than what we already are.
New life always announces itself for sound. New life always announces itself for sound. New life always announces itself for sound.
But why should machines not have fun too?
Yes, yeah.